Hello there. In this video, I'm going to explain about the basic thing about basic thing. Okay, what is a run method and what is run method? Um, not even, what is a join method and join some parameters value are given, certain value are given, and the difference between difference between sleep uh, sleep long and join long. That means I have passes near a passes certain time given set to certain time of passing the system and see what is the actual difference between those things. Okay. So started our first scenario. Uh, Join. What is join? Okay. What is join? Joins means basically join method is in thread. The pausing the thread execution until the other thread is not complete. Pausing the execution, other thread execution is not completed. It pauses the thread execution. Uh, sorry, pauses the thread execution. It pauses the thread execution until the other thread execution is not completed. Not not completed. It passes the thread. Okay. Then what is the meaning of that? Actually, the meaning of see. Suppose I have two threads. Assume this is my thread one. Okay, this is thread one, and I have another thread called name as thread two. Suppose this is okay. This is thread four. It is name as thread two. This is thread one. This is thread two. Okay. Uh, both having uh, both having run method. Okay. Both have content run method. Here also I have run method. Okay, I have run method. This is I have created an object and thread one, thread th1 object, and here I created thread th2 object. Okay, good reference. Suppose in here, if I write th2 dot join dot join th dot join. See, this is th1, th2. Okay, create a thread class object, thread class of thread 2 is equal to th2. It is th1. This is th1. Okay, this is th1. If I call th the join in thread class object, thread 2, thread 1, then until the thread 2 is not completed, it doesn't allow thread class to run until the thread 2 is not completed, until the thread 2 is not completed, it doesn't allow to go to here. Okay, If you write thread 2 in thread class 1, thread.join method object reference, until the thread 2 is not completed, the control doesn't go to the thread 1 class. Suppose you have completed, then it go to ts2, and after that it executes. Okay, so that it executes. I think you understand what it actually mean. If you have two thread one, thread two, in thread one, if you write thread two dot join method until the thread two is not executed, it's not complete. You can call it not complete. It doesn't allow to execute the thread one. Okay, this is called thread join method. Okay, join. Then what is the uh, difference between difference between no argument um, run method and argument run method? Okay, what is the difference between no argument run method and argument run method? Okay, or you can call an argument, you can call otherwise called parameter. See, um, if you write no argument, then until the thread 2 is not completed, it doesn't allow to thread on to execute. But if you write thread dot parameters, if you pass some time in thread parameterize, then it wait for certain time. It wait for certain time. Then after that it come to, if it not come, then it come to thread one. That means I have to take uh, this example, same example. No, it is not happening here. Okay, I have to again draw it. Same thing, I have two threads. Here one thread, here two threads, second thread. Okay, this is thread one, this is thread two, okay. Thread one, thread two, and here is run method. If you write th1 dot th2 dot run, passes some value, something join some value, 100 passes here. Then what is that? No? You wait, um, where the parameter join method doesn't block the thread execution until the complete of the thread execution. It executes wisdom after the complete a given time. That means if you place in here, in here, in here, you have given a run method Thread.join. If you did parameterize run method, then it doesn't wait until the thread to complete. It waits certain time that is given to the thread. Given thread to 100 seconds. Suppose 1 minute, 1 second given here. Then you wait 1 second. If it's not complete, the control come back to here. After 1 second, it control come back, and it execute it execute the remaining thread one. Remaining thread one. That means if you write simple join method until the other thread execution not completed. Uh, until the thread 2 execution not completed, it waited. Um, after, when the thread class 2 of thread 2 is executed complete, then you go to thread 1 and execute the thread 1. But if you write thread dot some parameterized value, then it wait that amount of time period. If it and control come back to the thread 1 and execute his own logic. Then after that, it control go to the thread. After that, control go to the thread 2. Simple, simple thing that okay, this is how it is happening. Simple thing. Then what is the difference between uh, then difference between sleep long, you can call it sleep long, and join. Yeah. What is the difference between sleep long and join long? Both are using the pause the execution time, but in sleep long method, if you're using, then it wait it wait the given time period. Method pauses the execution independent of the thread execution until not complete given time period. It doesn't allow to run until the time is completed. That means if you're given certain time period to thread sleep method, until the time period is not completed, it doesn't allow to other thread to execute. Okay. Suppose I have two thread one two. Suppose in thread one I have given 8 seconds, and other thread I have given 5 seconds. Okay. In thread two I am calling thread sleep. Then it control go to the suppose run method. In run method I have written 8 seconds. Then until it pauses totally 8 seconds, because first it's 5 seconds, then 3 seconds. Okay. But if you write a join long method also pauses the execution depend other thread execution for given time period. It pauses the thread execution only the given time period of that other thread execution. If the other thread is executed before the given time period, it come and execute immediately. That means if you are giving certain time before the time is thread completed, in Thread.sleep method, it waited the given time period. It wait the given time period whatever given. But in join, if thread is executed before the time period, it directly come and execute immediately. Okay, the basic difference is that. So see, this is I have to see in programming development, you have to understand. Suppose in here I have created thread, my thread well I have created a thread something class name extend from thread. Here I run method. Here run method I have thread or sleep. Sleep. It is throwing an exception, so I am handling two try catch interrupt exception. Okay, here runs ended, and you have the main method. In main method I have also write this main started. Thread I have created thread class object and called employer start. Whatever it does, employer start method we have called. When it started, it go to run method ready and come and execute run method. See and try to compile and execute. See what is the answer. Main started, main ended, run main started. Here run started. Sorry, you have to watch the execution also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means it will take 8 blinks. That means 8 seconds. Here I write 8. 8,000, that means 8 seconds. That means if I place here 5,000, 5 seconds it will wait. Okay, then I have to, if I write here, um, Thread dot sleep of 5,000, if I write 5,000 something and try to compile and execute, see the answer. When started, run started, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means it will take 8 seconds or not. That means first what is happening, see, Thread.sleep, it will take 5 seconds to sleep, pauses the execution, and control directly go to run method. In run method, is print the run started, and it found the Thread.sleep 8 seconds. That means it control directly come to here 8 seconds. Then it complete the thread. It will given 5 seconds now. So it complete the 5 seconds. When it ended, they control to 8. Then here you observe that it will take 8 seconds to complete the work. 8 seconds to complete the work. Okay. Suppose in here, instead of thread or sleep, I have written here copy paste it, join, and here I write something. Suppose I have written 10, and try to compile. To object reference. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Directly it execute. That means whenever control go to the here, it execute thread for 8 seconds. After that, it doesn't wait to 2 seconds to execute. Before the before the example, the previous example, you know that थ्रेड इज व्हाट थ्रेड वेट कर रहा है कि 8 सेकंड होने के बाद फर्स्ट 5 सेकंड ब्लिंक कर रहा है, ब्लिंक करने के बाद एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा है, देन वेट कर रहा है, तीन तीन बार ब्लिंक होके आपको दे रहा है आउटपुट मैनेज एंडेड दे रहा है. बट हियर इज इफ यू ऑब्जर्व 8 सेकंड डायरेक्टली ब्लिंक हो रहा है, उसके बाद डायरेक्टली आंसर आ रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आप प्लेस करते हो थ्रेड जब स्लीप मेथड, देन इट वेट that it pauses the thread execution that given certain time period. But in thread or run method, if you place, then whatever time is given, it execute before the time period given. So here I given 10,000 10 seconds, but it's thread here sleep thread is executed before the given time or not, before time given time. So that क्या हो रहा है कि अगर टाइम जो दे रहे हैं उस टाइम के पहले से एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा है एंड डायरेक्टली सडनली एग्जीक्यूट द रन मेथड next thread or main thread you can call us. Okay, this is how this thread is executed. This is how thread is executed. I think you understand the different basic difference of that. Okay, this is a key point. This is a key point. As a sleep method like sleep method में तो स्लीप मेथड पॉजेस करेगा थ्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम गिवन सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड, जितना टाइम पीरियड दिया होगा उतने टाइम तक वो वेट करेगा, अदर थ्रेड को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करने देगा. बट इफ राइट run method with some parameterized time period, that means it executes the thread before the before the given certain time period. If it executes given certain time period, then it executes immediately thread given thread. Okay. I think you get a clarity about that. If you want more videos, you can like, subscribe video. And the previous videos related and some videos I have given to I button. Please go to the video and learn about the basic thread methods. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe my channel.